Alright, so I guess this part here is quite fiddly as well, but seems to be a little bit easier maybe than the removing of the peels. But again, you see this part here came out, so maybe it isn't. It's fiddly on both ends. Let's see. The worrisome part is how will that affect how the performance of the headphones run. That'll be the interesting thing here. I think it actually went in all the way because I don't see any parts. Oh, no, look, see that popped out there. And it popped out there, so pushed it back in. Now it seems like it's good. Anyway, it could take a long time if you are not used to doing this kind of thing. So.
Likey.